Hey everyone, welcome back to Driveline, your destination for deep dives into the latest vehicles, iconic rides, and automotive innovations. Today we are talking about a true legend making waves once again, the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Gypsy. For decades, the Gypsy has been a symbol of rugged reliability, unmatched off-road capability, and pure adventure. Now, it's back in a modern avatar for 2026, blending its classic spirit with contemporary engineering and features. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast, a weekend explorer, or simply a fan of tough and timeless vehicles, this video will cover everything you need to know about this highly anticipated release. Checkered flag: the Gypsy legacy, a true icon. The Maruti Suzuki Gypsy has carved out a legendary reputation over the years, especially in India and many parts of Asia. It has served not just as a workhorse for government and defense forces, but as a favorite among off-road addicts, rally competitors, and adventurers alike. Its simple yet robust design, lightweight body, impressive ground clearance, and mechanical reliability made it a go-to choice for demanding terrains. When word started circulating about the 2026 update, excitement grew rapidly because fans wanted a vehicle that retained the Gypsy's DNA but added modern relevance. And that's exactly what Maruti Suzuki aimed to deliver. Artist palette design and exterior, classic look, modern edges. Visually, the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Gypsy stays true to its roots. It keeps the iconic boxy silhouette, rugged stance, and upright grille that enthusiasts instantly recognize. However, this time, the styling includes modern refinements. Sharper LED headlamps with integrated DRLs, a bolder front bumper design that enhances approach angles, and redesigned alloy wheels that add a more contemporary touch while staying tough for off-road use. The body proportions remain practical and compact: short overhangs, tall profile, and large fender flares, all of which not only pay homage to the Gypsy's